What are the three maintenance strategies that are commonly used to manage assets, and how do they differ? The first is referred to as reactive or corrective maintenance. The second is known as preventive maintenance, and the third is predictive maintenance. Let's take a look at how they differ. With reactive maintenance, an organization does nothing until the asset fails and then responds. With preventive maintenance, an organization performs tasks on regular intervals until failure occurs. With predictive maintenance, the tasks vary depending on the age and changing condition of the asset over time. At particular points along the curve, certain leading indicators of failure can be detected and addressed proactively. With reactive maintenance, an organization may not be able to achieve the full service life of the asset. When an asset failure occurs early, some of the potential life of the asset is lost. With preventive and predictive maintenance, the organization is able to potentially achieve the full service life using the proactive planning methods, which vary in their mitigation effects. An organization will apply one of the three maintenance strategies depending on its future orientation and attitude to managing failures. With reactive maintenance, there is no attempt to gain insight into the future. Issues are managed in the here and now. With preventive and predictive maintenance, an attempt is made to look into the future. The difference, however, is that preventive maintenance seeks clarity only until the next planned maintenance task. Predictive maintenance, however, tries to anticipate the eventual failure of the asset and works backwards from that event. There can be a significant monetary impact of the three maintenance approaches. Reactive maintenance is cheaper in the short term, but more expensive in the long term, as the organization incurs additional costs from a shorter asset life. Preventive maintenance incurs fixed costs at fixed intervals, which may not reflect the changing condition of the asset. Predictive maintenance incurs more upfront costs, such as the acquisition of diagnostic equipment and staff training. It is, however, aligned most closely to the changing condition of the asset. Both preventive and predictive maintenance are able to mitigate the failure cost through their proactive steps over the life of the asset. Finally, maintenance activities can also be plotted onto a deterioration curve. The graded color scheme reveals the changing risk profile of the asset being maintained. With reactive maintenance, no action is taken before asset failure and the organization can be caught off guard. Preventive maintenance follows a fixed interval approach until the asset fails. Predictive maintenance, on the other hand, applies variable intervals of maintenance as the asset condition changes. At the end of the day, each asset needs to be aligned to an appropriate maintenance strategy. These decisions are based on many factors, including the criticality of the assets, regulatory requirements, and the availability of diagnostic technologies to reveal concealed conditions.